And with the market sophistication, there's 5 stages that we need to be aware of. And remember that each particular stage of market sophistication is where your prospect is with knowing about your product or service, right? Because of the marketing and advertising that's been out there in the marketplace. Now, in the number 1 stage here, they are the most aware. Your prospect knows about your product and all they really care about is, okay, what's the price? How can it help me, right? And with stage 2, they are product aware. So they know what you sell, but they don't know that it may be the right solution for them. They don't know that it may be, the right thing for them to purchase at that particular time. And with stage 3, they are solution aware. They understand and know that they want a particular outcome, a particular result, but they don't really know that you actually provide that service, right? And they don't know that you're actually maybe somebody who provides that product, right? So they just know that they have a problem and there's a solution out there, and they don't really know who actually provides that particular solution to their problem. And with stage 4, they are problem aware. So they understand and know that, hey, something isn't right here, something's going on, but I don't know if somebody can help me. Just like a simple example of this is like depression, unfortunately, right? If you're experiencing depression, oftentimes you know that, hey, something's wrong here. I don't know, I'm just not feeling good, but they don't really know that there's a solution out there. Oftentimes nowadays it's just a matter of going to your doctor and getting some sort of prescription, but that's a whole nother story. But the point I'm trying to make here is that they know that they have a problem, but they don't really know that there's actually a solution out there that can help them, right, solve that particular problem. And finally, with stage 5, they are completely unaware of your product or service, of a problem that they may have, a solution, whatever that may be. They're just completely unaware. They more or less just have an opinion on a particular product or service, but they don't sense or have the kind of thought pattern of, hey, I got a problem and I want XYZ product and service. Now, the way that I want you to think about the market sophistication is just think about years back, right? Back in the day when the internet kind of first started, there was a lot of offers on, and really just marketing and advertising in general. There's a lot of offers talking about how to lose weight, okay? This is where, you had people that were just wanting to lose weight. They knew they had a problem. But then as everybody and their mom and a lot more marketers coming out there talking about how to lose weight, it got kind of saturated, right? So then they had to change up their marketing pitch or their sales pitch to how to lose weight fast, right? And so once they kind of differentiated themselves and were talking about how to lose weight fast, a bunch of players came into the marketplace and started copying and doing the same thing. Hey, how to lose weight fast. Then they had to change it up even more and say how to lose weight fast without having to give up, sweets, or how to lose weight fast without having to exercise. So as you continue to kind of get down in the stages of market sophistication, it's all dependent upon where your individual prospect is at, right? If they are and have been pitched, all these different things, how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight with XYZ product, how to lose weight without having to exercise, all these different things. Now they are looking for a real viable solution that is different from all those. So then that particular stage is more like you have a particular unique mechanism that is helping these people. So it's no longer how to lose weight fast without exercising. It's how to lose weight fast without dieting, without exercising, and without having to get a gym membership. Something like that, where it's going above and beyond and it's differentiating the offer, right, to that particular individual, even though it may be the same product or service. But since the actual market is aware that there's so many people out there talking about how to lose weight fast, this, and that they want something that it may even be the same product or service, but they want it to be positioned in a different manner. Because if you told somebody that, hey, I have a solution for you on how to lose weight fast without dieting, without exercising, and without having to join a gym, I mean, it's like this whole new product has been invented, and they're like, oh wow, that's interesting, that's unique. When in all reality, it may still be the same product as before, but now the market has become accustomed to getting pitched that same old story, that same old offer. They are more sophisticated, and now they need a unique mechanism to help them, actually become a paying customer because they've been fed all this stuff in the past. Okay, so that's it for this section here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.